Welcome. If you're looking to quickly share your Telegram group with others using a QR code, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest way to find your group's QR code on the Telegram app for PC following the newest update. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, find the group where you're an admin. You need admin rights to access the group's QR code, so double-check that you have the right permissions. Once you're inside the group chat, look towards the top right corner of the window. You'll see 3 dots. This is the menu button. Click on these 3 dots to open a drop-down menu. From the menu, select Manage Group. This will open the group's management settings, where you can control everything from members to permissions. Inside the management settings, look for the section labeled Group Type. Click on it. This is where you'll find the group's invite link and privacy settings. Now, next to your group's invite link, you'll notice another set of 3 dots. Click on these dots. This will bring up a few more options. From the options that appear, choose Get QR Code. Instantly, Telegram will generate a unique QR code for your group. This code is directly linked to your group's invite link, making it super easy for anyone to join just by scanning it. You can now save this QR code as an image to your computer, print it out, or share it online. Anyone who scans it with their phone will be taken straight to your Telegram group, ready to join with just a tap, and that's it. With just a few clicks, you've made it easier than ever to invite new members to your Telegram community. Try it out and watch your group grow effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.